Hi, Miss Cheryl. Can you tell me about yourself?
My name is Cheryl Hatulan Gilon, 36 years old, from General Santos City, Philippines. I am married.
Do you have kids?
Yes, sir. I have one child, 12 years old.
Who will take care of your child if you come to Hong Kong?
My husband, sir.
How many siblings do you have?
I have 5 siblings, 2 brothers and 3 sisters. I am 4th child in the family.
Can you tell me about your educational background?
I am high school graduate.
Do you have overseas experience?
Yes, sir. I work in KSA from June 2017 to November 2018 for 1 year and 5 months. I work for a couple of employer with 2 children ages 6 years old and a newborn baby. I did all the household chores like cleaning, cooking, laundry, ironing, taking care of the child, and assist babysitting newborn baby.
Did you finish your contract?
No, sir. I was not able to finish my contract because at that time, my employer is experiencing financial difficulty.
How would you describe yourself?
I am a God-fearing, loyal, caring, and honest person.
Do you have any tattoo?
No, sir.
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
No, sir.
Why do you want to go abroad?
To earn money for my family. To earn money to support the study of my child.
Are you willing to take care newborn baby?
Yes, sir.
Could you sing a nursery song?
The wheels in the bush like run, 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 run. The wheels in the bush like run, 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 all through the town.
Are you scared of cats or dogs?
No, sir. I'm willing to take care of cats and dogs.
Give me your idea how can you take care of naughty children and children with tantrums.
I will show them that I care for them by playing with them and being friends with them.
Say something to your future employer.
To my future employer, if you are going to hire me, I promise that I will finish my contract and I will extend if you need me. I promise that I will treat you like my own family. I will learn to speak Cantonese and cook more Chinese food. Thank you.